Hi, my name is Deepa. I'm a behavioral facilitator. This is my second workshop with Pallavi ma'am, and like the first workshop, this workshop has been extremely insightful. All the case studies that were shared by Pallavi ma'am and all of the participants here has given me great depth understanding of how various clients can be and how do they deal with some of the issues, some of the clients. I look forward to future workshops with Pallavi ma'am. This workshop has been fantastic. Thank you.
Usual, the workshop was really informative and very good. And ma'am, the USP is that she is very warm, very approachable, and very experienced. So you can anytime go back and ask about your doubts, and you usually have very less of doubts because she explains everything so well with a lot of examples, lots of cases. I think it was a wonderful experience being here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Gurga Taneja. The workshop Level 2 CBT was fantastic as ever, and Pallavi ma'am has been very patient and by listening to all the case studies and handling everything so well, and quite a lot of insight.
I really liked today's session. I got to learn a lot, and we have been studying about depression and anxiety since we started studying psychology, so it was good to know how those disorders can be treated through CBT. So this workshop was really helpful.
Hi, I'm Gargi, and this is the second time I'm having this workshop with Pallavi, and I find her extremely rich in her experience as a trainer, as a mentor. She knows the concepts very well. She's got a lot of practical understanding, and I'm really in gratitude for all that she shares with us very patiently. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tanya Malik. I'm counseling psychologist and expressive arts therapist. This is my second workshop with Pallavi ma'am, and it was really informative. And she explained each and everything, each and every query she addressed really well. And I'm looking forward to more of experiential learning with her workshops. And this one was of depression and anxiety, and I feel these days even I am getting a lot of cases with depression and anxiety, and this was really helpful. The workshop was really helpful for me as well. Thank you.
Asna Sharma. I have attended the first workshop with Pallavi ma'am, booked for the second and third as I've mentioned in my previous video, and I thoroughly loved, enjoyed, and it's a very insightful, mindful and exceptional case for me. So looking forward for helping others as my CBT courses. Thank you so much sir, ma'am, loved it.
Hello, my name is Ramya Menon, and I'm having Pallavi ma'am's workshop for the second time, and it was really nice. And the best part was like she explained with the practical examples, case studies, and how to deal with the problems, how to deal with the patients. So it was the best. So I liked the workshop very much. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Disha. I attended the first workshop, first level. I really liked it, and that's the reason I attended the second one. There were many of the case discussions, which really helped me understand the disorders which I knew in a better and a practical way. I really liked the workshop and looking forward for more workshops.
Hi, I'm Sonal, and I'm currently in my second year pursuing applied psychology from Amity University, and this is my second workshop with ma'am. And in this workshop I got to see a variety of disorders through multitude of perspectives, and it is definitely going to help me in my academics, which is what I'm studying right now, and further in my professional spheres. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vanshika. I'm currently studying bachelor's in applied psychology, and I really liked this workshop. It was very informative, and yes, I'm looking forward for level 3. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Simran Raman. I'm a student from Amity University studying a master's in applied psychology. So I found this workshop really well, and the best part about it was there was a lot of case discussions happening. It was really insightful, and I am sure it will help me in the future. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pratibha. I'm working as a psychosocial counselor. First of all, I'm really thankful to Pallavi ma'am to organize the program workshop, that's a CBT. So lots of knowledge I gain here, and it's very fruitful for me. I'm waiting forward for looking next session. Thank you.
This is my second workshop with Pallavi ma'am, and this was more insightful for me, discussion based, and I learned more things in this, and looking forward for the next level. Thank you ma'am.
आई एम तरुण नागवार, आई एम फ्रॉम इंदौर. यहाँ आने के बाद मैम से बहुत सारी लर्निंग मिलती है. CBT 1 एंड CBT 2 इट्स माई अपॉर्चुनिटी. इट्स वेरी गुड. थैंक यू.
Sanya Jain. I just finished with the CBT Level-2 workshop by Pallavi ma'am. It was very nice. I really loved the case conceptualization part, and I'm looking forward for the Level 3.
Hi, I'm Ishita Ahuja. It was an amazing workshop. I loved being here. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Soumya Kim. This is third year applied psychology from Delhi University. This is level 2 CBT that I'm doing. It was really good, very informative, and it cleared out a lot of basics for both like psychological disorders and how to use CBT as an intervention. So I really look forward to CBT level 3, and hopefully I will use it in real life soon. Thank you.